Are you pressing both buttons?
Okay. We just drove down to the baseball field near our house, and we are going to launch a crown rocket that we built. Did we take the tape off and everything?
Nope. We can just leave that right there. And you shove the end down far enough that it's connecting. Okay, good. And then what we do is you take a plug. This guy
Wait,
right
can you
here.
show them what the plug? So you get the plug.
And you put the plug in the base as well. And you plug it in. And hopefully that's connecting the way it's supposed to. And then what you don't want to do is you don't want the wires to touch. And you don't want the base plate to touch either.
That's the black one. Alright.
There you go. Do the same.
Secured.
Alright, good. Now.
Secured.
Okay, good. And we're good, everything's good. Alright, good.
3, 2, 1.
Just click it, and if it doesn't go, that means we did something wrong, and that's fine.
I think it's touching. Alright, everybody. So I think we got it good. I'm gonna lie down. Ready? Plugging it in. Can I get a countdown?
Yep. We got 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Are you pressing both buttons?
Okay.
Oh, there goes that. There you go. And we've got actually a parachute that came out. That worked out well. I don't know if that's in screen yet. I can't see a thing. Alright, it's going right down into the tree. Everything. That is like the Charlie Brown tree. Everything gets eaten by that tree. That was the most athletic Kevin has ever looked.